bit. I'm a little scared. I'm not gonna lie. Okay.
He about to do a donut.
Who?
You. Dry your dope. Tell me, look at my ride. Turn up the brightness on this right quick. I already know how to do it. I know you did. I'll tie this up right quick. I'll spill everywhere when you get to driving.
Oh,
if I was driving, it would too. You gotta get your seat how you want it.
I am.
Hold on, baby face. You trying to get money, I lose it.
Oh, it's raining. Oh, I'm scared. I don't want to be like this. I don't want to do that.
Why are you scared?
Because I don't want to jerk. Where I'm going? Just try.
Anywhere. Where you want to go?
Don't tell me. I know how to do it.
Scared?
A little bit. I'm a little scared. I'm not gonna lie. Okay.
Yes, hold on. Wait. Put it back in. Let me change the mode.
What is it on?
This is straight. Turn that boy all red. Oh, that's probably too much. I'll put this one.
What's track? I want to do that one.
You want the track?
Yeah.
That's like crazy.
All right. I can handle it.
All red. Everything red, suspension, steering, paddle shifters on. We ain't gonna use them though.
Right.
You ready? Go right.
Why can't I go left? Oh,
all right.
Because you want me to. It's not even that bad.
All right, then go left.
Oh. Oh yes. Oh no. Oh my God. All right. I got it.
Let's go in this lot over here right quick. Make a left.
See, this is a lot.
I told you this gonna get crazy. I'm mad it's about to rain right here though, where we at in this little spot.
Let me do some donuts. Sorry.
Low key. On that lot over there, where it ain't nothing at. Gotta watch that. That's ugly. That's crystal clear too. Crystal clear.
I feel like.
He about to do a donut.
Who?
You.
Alright, I'm ready.
Ooh-wee. Alright, make it right over here. Right in this parking lot, right here, perfect. Alright, so look. Pull over right in the middle a little more. Right here, this is perfect. So, this is what I want you to do.
Okay.
Cut the wheel all the way where it's locked like this. Hit the gas. Then you're gonna do a burnout.
Wait, just hit the. Oh, okay.
Hit the gas though.
While I'm like this?
But don't never let this go. Hold that bitch tight.
Okay.
And hold your other hand right here like that.
And just hit the gas.
That's all you gotta do. But you ain't gotta hit it real fast.
Oh my God.
Let's do it. You want me to back up? Go ahead. Do it.
You about to make me do a donut? I just don't want to do it.
Go ahead, do it.
I'm scared. Alright, I'm about to do it.
You about to do it? Why you stop?
Alright, I'll do it again.
You ready? Hold on, I gotta get over here though. ready, come on. All right, now come my way. Damn, that was a good ass burnout. Bro, that was a good burnout. I ain't gonna lie, this boy's smoking. That boy's smoking.
Was I supposed to do that?
Yeah, that's how you do it. That's how you do it. You like it?
That was fun.
You gotta go back in the middle though. And we gotta hurry up and get out of here. All right, that's good. Do one more. It's still good though. The train good. Let's go. Vlogs on vlogs.
People mess up doing this.
Hold on. Let me not get right here. Come on. Damn, it's dusty as fuck.
Alright, I'm done doing that.
That's fun, ain't it? Yeah, I'm about to do one.
Oh,
That's dusty. Camera a little dusty too.
that was lit. Okay.
Let me see. Trying to focus in. Here we go. That boy look good as hell on camera too. Alright, come on, I'm gonna do one. Cause I ain't done one phone yet anyway. Police over there, we can't do it again.
Alright, we out.
Yeah, look.
I can't. Always.
Damn, I was about to do one. Big ass one too.
Wanna go somewhere else?
Hell no, I'm gonna still do one.
Babe, you can't do one?
I'm about to get my GPS on so I know exactly where I'm going.
Damn, where you go?
That nigga gone. I know he went in that lot over there. You think he in that lot?
Oh, I see him.
Alright, you can't do it. He's circling back. He coming back? He coming back?
I think he turned in the lot. Oh wait, I see him. Oh, he gone.
He gone? Ready?
Open it.
I done lost my phone. Look. Damn.
I'm trying to do your seat right.
Oh, it's not gonna be right. The real question is, how do you feel when I drive?
I'm scared. Oh my god. Oh no.
You ready? You sure?
You sure?
I'm ready.
You sure?
I'm ready.
So now where I'm going?
I don't know. I'm gonna tell you where to go. Take that.
Oh yeah.
Go ahead.
Seatbelt. Is this $1?
Seatbelt is? Yeah, that's $1. That's a gold dollar. All in my bank.
You got that from a vending machine?
No, I got that from yeah. How you know? That time when you came over to the vending machine when we was on our way back home?
Oh no. Oh, but no, I used to get that from my job.
They had them in the vending machine too?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, come on.
You say you took me out?
No, I didn't.
Don't be scared.
Both hands on the wheel now. Go ahead. Let's get it.
Oh my God.
Let's get it with the little seatbelt.
Please. No, I don't.
Go straight. Don't cut through the parking lot because people be tripping. Just go all the way to the stop sign up there. And then make a left. Just go all the way up. I need to pay my phone bill, bro.
You do.
I'm about to though.
Connect to my hotspot.
I don't got no card on it.
No, I'm saying connect to my hotspot so you can have like some type of
Oh, connection to my
people.
phone? Yeah. Oh yeah, hit it. Why you ain't hit it?
Oh no.
You ain't about to do it right here?
We're gonna wait. We're gonna wait till we on the freeway or something.
Oh shit, you don't need you doing that on the freeway. You need to drive
Why
the
you
speed
put me
limit.
in a? Why
I'ma
can't
change
I be
it.
in the
I'ma-
fast?
Hey, I'ma change it.
Supersonic speed.
I'ma change it.
You scared?
I'm not scared.
Yes, sir.
How we get here? We made a left or a right? Let me see.
I don't remember.
Cause you did GPS to get here.
I don't remember.
Make a left.
Ooh.
Yeah, make a left. Yeah. You just get on the highway right there. Just bump right there though. Alright. We lit, let's get it.
Ooh, okay.
Feel it tight?
A little bit.
Feel it tight when you hold it?
It felt tight when it's in valet mode. Oh,
Hit it, you getting on the highway, hit it.
babe.
Oh, don't hit it, hit the floor.
No, why you have somebody to board?
Cause that's how you supposed to hit it. Cause there ain't no more road. They gonna catch up to them too fast.
First of all,
You driving regular.
so what?
Hold on, let me see. It ain't even nobody behind us. You gonna catch them so fast.
Where am I going first? I wanna know where I'm going.
We going back to my city.
We're going back to
Cali. Look how fast you fucked up. Driving regular. You scared.
I'm driving regular because where's there to go?
You the one said I'm gonna try to get on the highway to Florida. You driving 60.
I can't even help
You
it.
driving 60.
What do you want me to do? Go fast?
Let me find out you don't want a ticket. It ain't nothing you can do now because there's too many cars in front of you.
Why? It was never nothing. Damn, what?
I got you. I'm finna show you what to do.
No.
I'm finna show you what to do.
I don't need your help. Want me to go over here?
Yeah, go over there. I'm next.
You next.
Yeah, I'm driving next.
Don't drive crazy with me. It's just too bumpy.
I didn't even change nothing. I just
Why
was
you
looking,
trying-
making sure it was all in red.
Keep your hands
It's a
over
trap.
there.
It's a trap.
Don't
It's a
be
trap.
trying to. You see how this facing over here?
Alright. I'll be trying to change now when I'm driving.
You want me to go on their butt and blast them so they can move out my way?
Nah, you can't do nothing right now. It's both lanes packed. Both lanes packed. You drive good though. I always told you that though. Alright, babe, pull over here. Pull up to this and then come on. Let them go down so we'll catch them later. Let me see what side for cars. This side. Go to the right. Now when I say floor it, floor it.
Oh my God.
You gotta hold it with both hands though.
But you supposed to let me do it when I want.
When you want to? Alright, babe, go down
You
Go.
I'm not flooring it.
Go, floor it, go.
Babe. Oh.
Floor it, go. Keep going.
How is that supposed to get your reaction? You tell me what to do.
I want to see how fast you're gonna go. Keep going. Don't look at me, look at the road.
First of all,
Oh shit, whoa. Are you slowing down? Ain't nobody in front of you. It ain't no complaints. 115, 120, 124. Oh shit, you was 30. Let me see. Look. Damn. It's hitting that boy. Caught them niggas quick as hell. Damn. I mean, come on, I'm not gonna be scared. I like to go fast, so of course I'm not finna be scared. It's my turn. That was my turn.
How did it feel?
It felt good. But I like the way it feels. It don't feel like I'm gonna crash or nothing like that. Cause I trust your driving anywhere, you wouldn't even be driving. It feel good though. The real question is, how do you feel when I drive?
Scared.
That's the real question.
But no, I be feeling okay, but I still be scared.
The fastest I went in this was 135. Back when we was in Mexico. But you wasn't there though. Yeah. I did not go there. That chicken good as hell. Okay. Have you ever ate there? You ain't never ate there, have you? If you told me you wasn't in the movie Chicken, I would have took you. I would have took you to just. I would have took you. Yeah, that's man. It's hot in here now.
Oh, you hot? You don't be scared.
Traction control off.
What that mean?
I mean, you ain't got no traction.
That mean nobody can help me. You see the difference?
I can feel it on my side,
like
so.
braking.
Huh?
I thought you can feel it when you braking or something.
No, so on my side, how it feels it's like being in a roller coaster, but I can't control it. But I'm not scared because I know you can drive.
Why
So
you put that air on? Turn that off.
what you mean? I got hot in here.
On me.
Spicy.
God. No, I don't need the heat. I don't need nothing. Turn it on.
Hit it again. Go this way. Hit it though, like Florida.
You go so, I go 100 so.
That's more than 100. How you feel?
Like a boss. I feel like get out my way.
Do you want a fast car? Like, would you want a fast car like this?
Yeah.
You would? You look good in it. Good. Good too. Hell yeah, hit this place. Don't stop it though, keep going. Love it when you keep going. Alright.
Don't tell me how to drive.
Let's work out there. You're doing good though. I'm surprised though, because I wouldn't expect you to be able to drive that fast like this.
Now he don't want me to get over.
Yeah, no, you don't. Probably trying to see you.
Yeah. He probably was.
People be loving this car. Everywhere we've been, they've been talking about this car. She don't? That's too bad. Scoot over. Force our way in.
No, we gonna let you go.
Now we ain't gotta worry about niggas trying to cut us off.
Right.
We control the world. We control the whole highway now.
They probably hear that.
They be scared. A lot of people be getting out the way though. Slow down up here because you at least be chilling up there. After we come around the curve, it's a little thing where they can be on this side and that side. They be chilling right there. Especially state police, them niggas close. Right here, slow down. Going 80. 80.
Babe, everybody going 80. What you think? They gonna go.
I just want you to make sure they gonna pick you out of everybody anyway.
No.
Alright, you got an open lane now. It ain't no you bad.
They all the way back there.
Damn, they is back there. It ain't even nobody back there. Bro, it's nobody even back there, dog. That's crazy. Alright, get off here. Get off right here. Get off right here. Shit, this nigga up dirty as hell. Man, you was floating this boy, I ain't gonna lie. This nigga right here is nasty. Like, come on, bro. Come on, bro. Tripping. Pull up at the gas station to the right. In track mode too. You'll be talking shit about some. She wasn't even in track mode. Shut up. She wasn't even in fast mode. Shut your mouth. I ain't gonna lie, you can't drive for sure. I need you to do some shit.
Need me
You
for
gonna be my
what?
getaway driver? When I hit these banks up?
Yeah.
Yeah. What you climbing over?
I'm get out the right way. I'm trying to do your seat right.
Oh, it's not gonna be right anyway.
Oh, almost.
You might as well just let me do it.
This nigga
That nigga got scared as hell.
Babe! Oh my god. See, no.
What you mean?
Cannot deal.
I know I need some new tires now because I'm fist stealing way easier. Way easier. Low key the way I should have came in the first place. I ain't about to do too much. I gotta pay my phone bill right here.
Oh my god, man. Oh no. Hey, this might be you.
It's the green light. Damn, we was just floating, dog. No, we would've went to jail, right? You know that.
Get out the car now!
Told that nigga, fuck,
Oh my
we
god.
out. Out of here.
You would've ran?
We'd have ran, we'd have been gone. I ain't gonna lie.
What Jimmy trying to say?
I mean, shit, you know what type of ticket this thing would've gave me? License and registration, please. Clip. Nigga would've clipped my shit. It wouldn't have been no license and registration. Nigga would've put shit. This steering wheel so stiff. That bitch feels up. It's not even enough road for me to really hit that one like that. Oh, we live. Let's see what comes in. I knew I had somebody trying to hit me up. I'm gonna check it out the track. Oh, music right there. Just work.
Hello.
What up, though?
What's good?
What you on?
I'm out with my lady, man.
Me too, though.
We on the highway. We about to probably go to Bahama Breeze.
They got drinks?
Bahama Breeze got drinks.
Sound like that motherfucker got some little drinks with the umbrella in it.
Yeah, girl say, yeah, they got drinks.
Some
yeah, they got
fancy
drinks.
shit. They sound like some fancy shit. Ooh, I got the laws behind me. Where the niggas come from?
Yeah, what you want to do?
They not behind you. They in another lane.
I'm just chilling, cuz. I was trying to get me something. I was trying to come fuck with you for a minute.
You in the city? Or back at home?
Yeah, I'm in the city. I'm with my girl. I'm trying to come fuck with you. See you with your girl. I'm gonna link up.
I'm about to be down here.
What, you in the city?
Bahama
I mean,
Breeze, yeah, it's
Detroit.
like,
Troy.
Detroit, somewhere like up there.
Oh, okay. 100. Alright. Fuck that shit. shit smoking like a motherfucker. Alright, bro. Alright, bet.
Alright, cuz. Well, shit, huh?
I said, alright, what you got up after that? That's it?
Yeah, we ain't going back home, girl. We got, you know, we get to live mom.
Alright, for sure. Alright, bro.
I'm gonna get what you got.
Alright, bet.
Alright.
Engine about to go off. I ain't gonna lie, this shit about to go off. I can't even. They can't even see, but just know that nigga got hella smoke. They gonna see when I go this way. Watch this shit. You gotta take it off now. You can't.
That sucks.
Look at all that damn smoke. What? This nigga shit tripping. Damn. That nigga said he about to go to Bahama Breeze. That nigga smell like his tires on fire.
I know
It smell like he doing a burn up.
you thought Bahama Breeze was out here, babe?
No, I ain't know where it was at. How far is that?
That's Somerset.
That's not even that far.
Somerset, but he didn't give you an invite though.
No, he didn't. I wasn't trying to get an invite, baby. I'm not trying to tell him what I'm trying to do.
You told him you were trying to see him.
Yeah, I was trying to pull up.
Right,
But I was trying to get him in the car. Yeah, that's what I was trying to do. But I ain't got time to do that because luckily being busy. that nigga gonna be it's finna be dark now when that nigga get back, so it's alright.
might as well keep my head back here.
Yeah. What's good? Where you at? That's a good little venue too, bro. I've been there before for that same thing. Yeah.
Yeah, that's quite nice.
I'm about to pull up there though. I'm about to give you your charger.